Human evolution is a fascinating journey. It's a tale that stretches back millions of years, tracing the development of our species from primitive ancestors to the complex beings we are today. This journey is marked by significant milestones, each representing a leap in our cognitive, social, and physical capabilities. It's a story of adaptation, survival, and change over millions of years. From the early days of foraging and hunting to the advent of agriculture and the rise of civilizations, humans have continually adapted to their environments. These adaptations have been driven by the need to survive and thrive in diverse and often challenging conditions. Many people think that human evolution stopped a long time ago. They believe that once we reached a certain point in our development, the process came to a halt. This misconception is widespread, but it overlooks the dynamic nature of evolution. But this is not true. Evolution is an ongoing process, and humans are no exception. Our species continues to evolve, influenced by a myriad of factors that shape our genetic makeup and behaviors. Humans are still evolving today. Advances in technology, changes in our environment, and shifts in our social structures all contribute to this continuous process. Our genetic code is constantly being rewritten in response to these influences. Our species continues to change in response to the world around us. The rapid pace of technological innovation and environmental change means that we are constantly adapting to new challenges and opportunities. This ongoing process is called recent human evolution. It refers to the genetic changes that have occurred in our species over the past few thousand years, driven by both natural and artificial factors. It encompasses all the genetic shifts and adaptations that have occurred in Homo sapiens since we spread from Africa. This migration set the stage for a wide range of evolutionary changes as humans adapted to new environments and challenges. This journey began around 50,000 years ago. As humans migrated across the globe, they encountered diverse climates, landscapes, and ecosystems, each presenting unique challenges that drove evolutionary change. Recent human evolution is driven by a complex interplay of factors. These include natural selection, genetic drift, and cultural influences. Natural selection favors traits that enhance survival and reproduction, while genetic drift introduces random changes in gene frequencies. By understanding these forces, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible adaptability of our species. Our ability to innovate, adapt, and thrive in diverse environments is a testament to the power of evolution. We can also glimpse what the future might hold for humankind. As we continue to evolve, the interplay of genetics, environment, and culture will shape the next chapters of our evolutionary story, offering endless possibilities for the future of our species. Culture plays a significant role in shaping the path of human evolution. It is the invisible hand that guides our behaviors, beliefs, and even our biology. From the earliest days of human history, cultural practices have influenced how we live, interact, and adapt to our environment. These practices are not just social constructs, they have real, tangible effects on our physical and genetic makeup. Some scientists believe that human culture itself acts as a selective force. This means that the cultural norms and values we adopt can influence which traits are passed on to future generations. For instance, the way we choose our partners, raise our children, and even the foods we eat can all have genetic implications. This means that cultural practices can influence which traits are passed on to future generations. Cultural rituals and traditions often dictate social behaviors and roles, which in turn can affect reproductive success and survival rates. Over time, these cultural influences can lead to significant evolutionary changes. For example, the development of agriculture led to changes in our diet and lifestyle. The shift from a hunter-gatherer society to an agricultural one brought about new challenges and opportunities. It required humans to adapt to new diets, which included domesticated plants and animals. This shift had profound effects on our health, nutrition, and even our genetic makeup. This, in turn, may have favored certain genetic traits, like the ability to digest lactose. In regions where dairy farming became prevalent, individuals with lactose tolerance had a nutritional advantage, leading to the spread of this genetic trait. This is a clear example of how cultural practices can drive genetic evolution. However, the idea of culture as a driving force in evolution is not without debate. Some scientists argue that while culture plays a role, it is not the primary driver of evolutionary change. They believe that natural selection, genetic drift, and other biological factors are more significant in shaping our species. Some scientists argue that other factors, such as natural selection, are more important. They point to the fact that many traits are influenced by environmental pressures and genetic mutations, independent of cultural practices. The interplay between culture and biology is complex and multifaceted. More research is needed to fully understand the complex relationship between culture and evolution. Scientists are continually exploring how cultural practices intersect with biological processes to shape human development. This ongoing research is crucial for unraveling the intricate web of factors that influence our evolution. Despite these debates, it's clear that human culture has played a significant role in shaping our species. From the earliest tools and cave paintings to modern technology and art, culture has been a driving force in our development. It has influenced our social structures, our innovations, and our way of life. From the tools we use to the languages we speak, culture has left an undeniable mark on our biology. It continues to shape our identities, our communities, and our future. Understanding the role of culture in evolution helps us appreciate the richness of human diversity and the shared heritage that binds us all. Over the past 50,000 years, human populations have dispersed across the globe. We've encountered a wide range of environments from the frozen Arctic to the humid tropics. This has led to remarkable adaptations as different groups faced unique challenges. These adaptations are reflected in our genes, providing a record of our ancestors' struggles and triumphs. One striking example is the evolution of lactase persistence. This trait allows humans to digest milk into adulthood. It arose independently in several populations that domesticated cattle. Another example is the development of high-altitude adaptations in populations living in mountainous regions. These adaptations involve changes in blood chemistry and lung capacity, allowing people to thrive in oxygen-thin air. The story of human evolution is not a simple, linear progression. Instead, it's a rich tapestry woven from countless threads of genetic material passed down through generations. It's a complex web of interbreeding and genetic exchange, involving not just our direct ancestors but also other hominin species that once roamed the earth. One fascinating aspect of this story is the discovery of archaic admixture. This term refers to the genetic contributions from ancient hominins to modern human DNA. This refers to interbreeding between our species, Homo sapiens, and other hominin species such as Neanderthals and Denisovans. These interactions were not just rare events but occurred multiple times over thousands of years. These ancient encounters left a lasting mark on our genome. The genetic material from these archaic humans has been passed down through generations, influencing various aspects of our biology. Genetic studies have revealed that modern humans carry DNA from these archaic ancestors. This discovery has revolutionized our understanding of human history and evolution. The amount of archaic DNA varies between populations. Some groups have higher percentages while others have less, reflecting the diverse paths our ancestors took. For instance, people of European and Asian descent carry a small percentage of Neanderthal DNA. This genetic legacy can influence traits such as immune response and even skin pigmentation. This genetic legacy has important implications for our understanding of human evolution. It provides insights into how our ancestors adapted to their environments and interacted with other species. It suggests that our species was not always alone. We shared the planet with other intelligent beings, and these interactions shaped the course of our evolution. It also highlights the interconnectedness of life on Earth. Our genetic heritage is a testament to the shared history of all living beings, reminding us of our place in the grand tapestry of life. Our environment has played a crucial role in shaping human evolution. From the food we eat to the diseases we face, environmental pressures have driven adaptations throughout our history. One example is the evolution of skin pigmentation. Darker skin pigmentation is advantageous in regions with high levels of UV radiation. It protects against skin cancer. Lighter skin pigmentation, on the other hand, is beneficial in regions with less sunlight. It allows for greater vitamin D production. This is just one example of how the environment has molded our species over time. Modern medicine and technology have dramatically altered the landscape of human evolution. On the one hand, these advancements have allowed us to overcome many diseases and health challenges. This has led to increased lifespans and improved quality of life for millions. However, some argue that these interventions have also weakened the force of natural selection. With medical advancements, individuals who might have succumbed to genetic diseases in the past can now survive and reproduce. This means that potentially harmful mutations can persist in the gene pool. Furthermore, our reliance on technology has led to new selective pressures. For example, our sedentary lifestyles and processed food diets have contributed to a rise in obesity and related health problems. Predicting the future of human evolution is a daunting task. The interplay of genetic, environmental, and cultural factors makes it difficult to foresee what the future holds. However, by studying current trends and understanding the mechanisms of evolution, we can make some educated guesses. One possibility is that humans will continue to adapt to the challenges posed by our changing world. Climate change, for example, is already leading to shifts in disease patterns and food security. These pressures could drive the evolution of new adaptations in the future. Another possibility is that technology will play an even greater role in shaping our evolution. The story of human evolution is a testament to the remarkable adaptability of our species. From our humble beginnings in Africa to our current global dominance, humans have continuously evolved to meet the challenges of our ever-changing world. We are not the finished product of evolution. As we continue to adapt to new environments, embrace new technologies, and face new challenges, we can be certain that the journey of human evolution is far from over. By understanding the forces that have shaped our past, we can better prepare for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. We can also gain a deeper appreciation for the incredible diversity and resilience of our species.